So recently I went to Subway and I realized that not all stores sell the veggie patty anymore. And as a vegetarian, that really disappointed me. So I decided to make my own version at home for under $5. And trust me, it is so much better than the original. So I think you guys are gonna love this one.
This is so good.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and let's dive right in. Okay, so let's start with the patty because this is the star of the show. I'm using around 3/5 of a block of super firm tofu and it's been defrosted because this way it holds its shape really well and does not hold a lot of moisture. I'm crumbling it into a bowl with my hands so that you don't have bigger chunks. Now, grate a carrot, add some boiled peas and corn, and add in a medium sized boiled potato. Also grate in 1 clove of garlic, and for the spices, just add garlic powder, paprika, oregano, cumin, and adjust the salt to taste. And the secret ingredient is actually Kitchen King masala, which is like curry powder. So if you don't have that, you can easily add just curry powder or garam masala. Mix everything together really well, and if you think it's a little moist, add some cornstarch to bind it together. Now just press some of the mixture into a rectangular tray and flatten it up, cover and pop it in the freezer for about 10 minutes. This helps it to firm up so that when we cut it into rectangles, it holds its shape better and does not fall apart. So now let's move on to the sauces. These are three really basic and easy sauces which you can use not only in this recipe but generally on salads or just as a dip as well. So let me show you how to make them. First up is the Chipotle Greek yogurt sauce. Take 2 to 3 tablespoons of Greek yogurt and add some chipotle powder, garlic powder, a splash of vinegar, whichever one you have, a small pinch of sugar, and a little bit of salt. Mix everything together and you have this smoky, creamy sauce that's absolutely delicious. Next is a really basic honey mustard. It's just some yellow mustard and honey with a little bit of salt to balance, and that is it. And the last one is the cilantro cottage cheese pesto. Just take some cottage cheese, blend it with some fresh cilantro, store-bought pesto, and that is it. You can also add a little bit of lemon for that zest. And now you have three completely different flavor profiles to work with. Now that the patty mixture has been in the freezer for around 10 to 15 minutes, cut them into rectangles and just pan fry them for 3 to 4 minutes on each side till golden brown. And don't rush this because the patties are soft, so they can crumble easily. Now for the most satisfying part, that is building your sub. Just take your bun, spread a little shredded cheese and melt it in a toaster oven or just on the pan. Place your patty and then your sauces. Then the veggies go on top. And then you can just wrap it into a parchment paper to get that real Subway feel. Okay, so moment of truth. I'm just going to have a little bite of this.
This is so good.
This is truly so good. The patty, the sauces, and the veggies really bring this together, and I think this is really better than Subway. So, if you try this recipe, let me know down below in the comments. I would love to know which sauce was your favorite. And if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and like this video for more such recipes. And I will see you in the next one. Bye bye.